Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle with some clip-ins from Amazon, you guys. So yes, this is another Amazon review. This one was not sent to me. I purchased these items on my own, so this is not a collab. This isn't any of that. I literally went out, looked for the best clip-ins, and I purchased these. And they are from a company called Vanalia. I think it's Vanalia. And these are clip-ins for 3C or 4A type hair. That's at least how they advertised it. And this is the box that everything came in. So it came with this Vanalia card, and it's just pretty much a thank you, and it talks a little bit how to apply the clip-ins, etc., which I will show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle later on in the video. So make sure you stay and watch the whole entire video, okay? Because I'm going to show you guys how I got this hairstyle. It came with these eyelashes, which look really similar to those eyelashes that I reviewed in my AliExpress lash review video. And it also came with some extra clips, I guess, in case the ones that came on the clip-ins break or whatever. It came with 2 extra clips. And for this set of clip-ins, which I used all of the clip-ins to do this hairstyle, I just want to tell you guys how many pieces. So it was 7 pieces. I got my set in the length 16 inches. So if you guys can see, it comes down to about like your nipple if the hair was straightened, and when it's curled up it sits like right where your bra strap is. And this is just what the hair looks like. This is what it looks blown out, but obviously it is curly hair, so it has a really pretty curly texture to it. So I'll either have the footage here or later on in the video when you guys see me styling the hair. But I just wanted to come and tell you guys that I'm really impressed with these clip-ins. They're thick, they're full, they're soft, they don't tangle yet. You know, I haven't been wearing them that long. I think I purchased these a couple months ago, but I've only wore them like maybe 3 or 4 times, and we've only gone through like maybe 2 or 3 washes. So I definitely would recommend these clip-ins so far. And for 7 pieces at 16 inches, this set only cost me $59.90. That is a great price for clip-ins, and if you get 2 packs, it's gonna run you a little over $100, but I definitely think it's worth it. It's super soft, it looks really beautiful. So without any further ado, let's just get into how I achieved this hairstyle, because I know that's probably what you guys want to see. So let's get into the hair tutorial. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, so let's get into styling this hair. I've been wearing these clip-ins for a couple weeks now, like I probably mentioned in the intro to this video, and this is what they look like after being worn after a wash and air dry. So this is the natural pattern of the hair, and if you guys have followed my natural hair journey, you know that my natural hair isn't this elongated, it isn't this defined. So the only way that I could wear this is either if it's in a twist style, which I'll have a picture over there, or if I blow it out. And today I'm gonna do the blown out style. Let me just show you guys how the hair blow dries out. Of course, the hair is dry right now, and I would not recommend blow drying it while it's like dry. I never record by my vanity, A, because it's usually a mess, and B, because I don't know, I just like to keep changing up my setup, and I think this should probably be where I record. I just have to make my vanity look a little more presentable, maybe get like some lights behind me, and then it would be much better. But as you guys can see, the hair does not tangle, and we're gonna go ahead and blow dry all of the sections. I'm gonna speed through it because I'll come back once all of the clip-ins are blow dried. Okay, so all of the hair is blow dried. I'm gonna just, so you guys can see how thick these clip-ins are. So this is how much hair it is when it's blow dried. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my hair up a little bit, and then we're gonna add the clips. So I have this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla 4-in-1 combing cream. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair all over, just to kind of give it a little bit of moisture. My hair is growing like a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, and sometimes I think I'm going crazy when I look at my hair and I'm like, is it growing? Is it not? Like, what's going on? But this is what we got going so far. So I feel like I probably won't be able to do a full head because my hair is like so much shorter than the clip-ins. So I think a half up, half down is probably my best bet. So like if I section off my front pieces of hair, because I have enough hair on top to make a bun, so I don't need to add too much hair to this section right here. So I just sectioned it off from ear to ear with my fingers, and I'm gonna just section this part off with a scrunchie and make just a little bun, and we'll come back and revisit this and slick it up nice. But I just wanted to get that hair out of the way just to get my roots a little more straight, because my roots are quite puffy. I washed my hair like maybe 2 or 3 days ago, so my roots are a little puffy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start applying the clip-ins kind of high because my hair is super thick already, so we don't need to start from the very bottom. So I'm gonna section off about this much, and I'm just using my fingers. I'm gonna section off about that much of my hair. I hope you guys could see, but I am gonna just clip this hair out of the way using one of these like alligator clips. And now we're gonna decide what size clip-in to put in that area. So I could do this one, but it doesn't really cover the full area. So, and that was like one of the 2 clip ones, and I have this 4 clip one, which is probably too big. Oh, actually this fits perfect, so we're gonna put this one here. So I'm gonna turn and I'm gonna just place this not directly on the scalp, a little lower, about there, and press it in just like that. Now when you're applying clip-ins, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with clip-ins at all, you can get a lot of scalp irritation if you apply them incorrectly, if you put them too close to your scalp, if you apply them too tight. So you really want to secure them in nice and tight, but don't pull the clip-in out too tight and drag it around, you know what I mean? Because it's just gonna put a lot of tension on your hair, and you don't want breaking going on. So, and this is really trial and error. You have to like play with this as you go, because the placement of the clip-ins is really the most important thing. So I'm going in a little bit higher and just sectioning out some hair. As you guys can see, my natural hair comes to about there, and the clip-ins like go all the way down. So we really want to have this be a gradual thing. You don't want it to look too choppy. So I put that small section there. I think this 3 clip one is probably the best one to use. Just like that. And once you place the clip in, just kind of feel it out and see, does it feel uncomfortable? Is it too tight? Before you apply the next one. So I think where I'm going wrong right now is that I'm putting the clip in centered towards the back. So these pieces that belong to me in the front are kind of standing out. So what I'm going to do is shift that clip in over and add another one right next to it to kind of fill in that space. And like I said, this is all trial and error. You really just have to play with the placement and figure out where's the best place to put it. So that looks a little bit better, and if anything, I can just add that to the bun and cover it up. But for right now, I'm okay with it because we have a couple more layers to go. So we're getting closer to the top now, and the top is really important because you don't want a harsh demarcation. If I flip all the hair to the back right now and just show you guys what this looks like, you're gonna be like, girl, you need to add some more. I know. So let me just turn this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, like my hair is here and the clip-ins are down here, so we really need to ease up this transition because that ain't it. I have these two clip wefts left, and I have this one 3-clip. So what I'm gonna do is use the 3-clip, and then the 2 I'm gonna do for my ponytail, and we'll see if that comes out good. So I just want to make sure that this is enough hair to cover everything and like separate the hair out, and then just measure it to see if it fits this area properly, which it does, thank God. And that was a 3-clip piece that I just placed. Then I just go ahead and brush my hair on top. Ooh, just ripped one of my clip-ins out. That's why you want it to be really secure, because if you don't secure it to the hair properly, you'll get stuff like that going on. So after I do that, this is what we got going on. I think it looks pretty good, and I think it's gonna look even better once we do the ponytail. Maybe we'll throw some curls in it, I don't know. I haven't decided. I might leave it blown out like this. I'm really not sure yet. So now that we've done that, we're gonna section off all of this hair while we work on the bun situation. Now please, you guys know the situation with my edges. I went on a Instagram rant about my edges, and I went on a Snapchat rant about my edges, and we've talked about my edges even on this channel. Like, my edges have been thin my whole life, but I recently had a really big setback. My edges were not this thin, but I was wearing a wig grip from Amazon, and I wore it like every day. I was wearing that wig grip every single day, the same wig every day, and it rubbed off my edges a little bit. So my edges are really short right now. So not only is it thin, but it's also short. So getting this into a ponytail is going to be a struggle. I'm going to use my handy dandy Eco Styler gel. This is the one that I always use. I feel like in like every video I mention this Eco Styler. It's just my favorite. And before I go in with any heavy gel, I have to use this one for some reason, because my hair just won't respond. My hair doesn't respond well to edge controls unless I have some type of moisture in my hair beforehand. So like last night I tried to just use I tried to use my edge control, which I'll show you guys. I tried to use just my edge control alone, and when I woke up my hair was super ashy and it had white spots, and it wasn't the vibe. So I noticed that I need to use some type of Eco Styler or oil or something in my hair before I apply the gel, otherwise it's gonna be a problem. So I think it's pretty sleek. I don't want to put too much product in my hair because I don't want it to look super wet, but I do want it to look nice and sleek for when I do the ponytail. So this is my natural ponytail. Not too shabby, right? Like, it's getting much longer. Let's go ahead and add some hair to this ponytail and see if that makes it look a little better. So I'm just clipping it to the base of the ponytail like that, and then taking another piece and doing the same. Actually, I'm gonna do this one along the back. And then flip it backwards. Now, because I don't have enough hair, like I probably should have ordered one more pack, I'm going to do a bun with this because I just feel like the ponytail isn't big enough. So I just did a little top knot, which actually looks really, really cute. I'm gonna take my Edge Booster by Style Factor. I need to see what I'm doing, and the camera is really throwing that off. So I'm gonna try to just, I hope you guys can see. I'm just putting it directly on the edges just to keep it from lifting up. All right, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. So this is the final look. So that is the end of the video. That is how I achieved this hairstyle. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I told you guys I would be bringing back my natural hair videos, and like, this is sort of natural hair because, you know, my natural hair is out. It's just hiding a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what other hairstyles you guys think I could do with these clip-ins, because I tried the twist out, which I'll show on the screen, and I tried a couple other things and they didn't exactly come out how I wanted them. I'm just not sure how to style these. So if you guys have any tips or any YouTubers you think I should watch that like kill some clip-ins, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.